Hello, everyone. My name is Dylan Areno. I'm the product manager here at GitLab for distribution, and today I'm going to be kicking off our 16.2 release. Here is our scheduling issue for the last quarter, and so this is the last milestone for this quarter, 16.2. You can see we're going to be working on maintenance and essential upgrades and working towards our operator production readiness. So if we go to our board, you can see a number of the items that we're going to be working on all relate to maintenance or dependency updates. So we have 6 issues scheduled right now for our regular maintenance work. These are just sort of normal things to keep packages going out every milestone and keep the team working effectively. And you can see we've got about 3 issues scheduled for essential upgrade work, but the supporting Kubernetes 1.25, updating to node at 18 across our code base. These are both things that I would also loop into maintenance or essential upgrade work. You can see we still have the tail end of a couple items. So secrets management, which we mentioned before, increasing our number of reviewers, which relates to our contributor experience, are kind of trickling into 16.2 as well. But yeah, mainly focused on maintenance work, upgrade dependencies, and working towards our operator production readiness. So diving into our maintenance work, you can see we have a number of items still that we hope to accomplish. There's 36 issues still open, but obviously we're not going to finish all these in this quarter, but it's nice to have them categorized here. One of the main ones I do want to call out is updating our Helm charts to work with Geo Unified URL. This is a great feature addition. Unified URL is a great feature that Geo implemented, and we want to make sure that it works with our Helm chart. So there was a number of research items that went into seeing how we can make this work. And now we're finally getting into implementing it. So this is a very exciting item that folks interested in unified URL will soon be able to utilize. Moving on to our other essential upgrade items. I just want to mention, upgrading to a newer Golang version. Obviously, I mentioned the Kubernetes 1.25 update, and then we're upgrading Redis to version 7. But another one here that's listed is changing AL 2022 to AL 2023. So this is Amazon Linux 2022 to Amazon Linux 2023. Recently, Amazon changed the name and a couple of underlying items related to Amazon Linux 2022 to an updated version called Amazon Linux 2023. So in 16.2, we hope to change our builds to Amazon Linux 2023 and upgrade to allowing Amazon Linux 2023 for our packages. So we hope to implement this in 16.2. So the next phase of Amazon Linux coming soon. As far as production readiness goes for the operator, so this is production readiness brainstorming for the operator. One of the main items in this epic is moving the operator in our internal maturity matrix from minimal to viable. This essentially has some metrics related to customer usage and internal usage, things like that. But one of the main items listed under, this epic is our production readiness and parity with our Helm chart. So obviously right now our Helm chart is how folks utilize and create instances that will run cloud natively or in Kubernetes. And so we want to offer the same parity to the Helm chart as the operator. So there's a number of items that we need to complete, but working towards production readiness for the operator definitely encompasses making sure it has a similar install, upgrade, and just general user experience related to our Helm chart. We see that as sort of table stakes. So this is one of the main items we're working towards in 16.2 and hoping to be production ready with the operator later in the year. But you can see we've got 3 issues currently open for parity with the Helm chart, and more issues on the larger epic related to production readiness coming soon. So those are the main things, sort of a maintenance and upgrade dependency heavy milestone. We sort of do this in cycles, I would say, as work comes in. We've been heavily working on security work, compliance work, improving our contributor experience and trying to improve the number of reviewers and maintainers we have in the distribution projects. So now it's sort of time to, I guess you could say, eat our vegetables and do our normal maintenance work. We do a lot of maintenance work sort of every milestone anyways, but this one definitely has a heavy focus. So those are the items that we plan to work on in 16.2. Thank you so much, and have a good rest of your day.